Welcome to our deep dive on NetSuite integration. We'll explore the benefits, challenges, and steps to seamlessly connect your business systems with NetSuite. NetSuite is a leading ERP solution, and integrating it with other platforms is essential to maximize its potential. It helps consolidate data, streamline processes, and manage everything from one central hub, regardless of your business size. Imagine having all your business data for sales, inventory, finances at your fingertips in real time. That's what NetSuite integration offers. But is it really worth the effort? And what challenges might you face? To answer these questions, let's break down the essentials of NetSuite integration, what it is, the benefits, common complications, and methods to get started. NetSuite integration is all about connecting various systems, databases, and applications to the NetSuite ERP. Whether it is CRM, e-commerce, or banking platforms, the goal is to create a unified system where all your data flows seamlessly into NetSuite. Here are some top reasons why businesses choose to integrate with NetSuite. It automates workflows for efficient data management. Integrating with NetSuite automates workflows, making data collection and process management faster and more efficient. Reduces errors, ensuring accurate data. Automation also means fewer errors, ensuring your data is accurate and up-to-date. Enhanced communication. With integrated platforms, communication between different stakeholders becomes streamlined, improving response times and collaboration. Consolidated data enables precise decision-making. Access to consolidated data allows for more accurate decision-making, ensuring your business moves in the right direction. Customize for your business needs. NetSuite integrations are highly customizable, offering tailored solutions for your specific business needs. Historical data improves forecasting and planning. Catch issues early and optimize processes to reduce costs. But as with any technology, there are challenges. Here are some common complications you may face during and after integration. Limited integrations. Using too many connectors can lead to system crash or performance issues. Businesses may need to upgrade licenses, adding to costs. Passive performance. NetSuite can be slow to fully integrate, causing delays that frustrate businesses eager to get started. Complicated APIs. While powerful, NetSuite's API can be difficult to master, requiring extensive knowledge or professional help. Fortunately, there are several methods to integrate NetSuite, depending on your needs and expertise. Start fresh and integrate each platform individually. Use pre-built connectors for e-commerce and banking. Use Purchase and Integration Platform IPAS for optimal flexibility and scalability. When it comes to NetSuite integration, a common question is, how much will it cost? The answer varies based on several factors. First, custom code versus connector. Pre-built connectors offer low-cost integration with popular apps, covering development and maintenance. Custom-coded solutions are necessary for unique or less popular apps, but come with higher upfront and ongoing costs. Second, real-time versus batch. Real-time integrations, which transfer data continuously, are more costly due to higher processing needs. Batch integrations, scheduled at specific intervals, are generally more affordable. Third, number of endpoints. More complex integrations, such as those involving multiple platforms like NetSuite, Shopify, and Salesforce, are more expensive than simpler ones. And fourth, record types. The types of records being transferred, for example, accounts, opportunities, items, impact the cost due to increased processing and setup requirements. Overall, NetSuite integrations typically range from $200 to $1,100 per month, with initial setup fees between $5,000 to $20,000. Looking for a NetSuite consultant for your integration? Choosing the right partner is key to your project's success. Consider these important factors: alignment with business goals, Ensure the partner understands your objectives and how NetSuite supports them. Technical expertise. Choose a partner with a proven NetSuite integration track record and expertise in NetSuite's API, SuiteScript, and other methods. Customer reviews and testimonials. Review feedback from other clients to gauge the partner's reliability and service quality. Pricing and budget. While cost shouldn't be the only factor, find a partner within your budget. Watch out for hidden fees and request a detailed quote. Support and maintenance. Post-integration support is vital. Ensure the partner offers robust customer support and maintenance services for any potential issues. Cultural fit. A partner who aligns with your company culture can make the integration process smoother, given its complexity and duration. NetSuite Integration is a powerful tool for streamlining business processes. To fully leverage it, understand your needs, challenges, and options. For a more detailed guide on NetSuite integration, check out our comprehensive article on www.theledgerlabs.com and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos on accounting.